Hello everyone, my name is John Carl S. Oniato. I'm channeling the iconic Albert Einstein, white hair, mustache, and all, ready to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Best known for E equals mc squared, or the speed of light, and the theory of relativity. Einstein reshaped our understanding of space, time, and energy. Fun fact, he loved playing the violin and once said, imagination is more important than knowledge. Though my hair might not defy gravity quite like his, I'm here to celebrate his genius, curiosity, and the spark of creativity that made him a legend. Let's keep asking big questions. Just don't ask me to explain quantum physics yet. Albert Einstein of grade 6 and I thank you.